Guys, this is Manix. I'm just doing a cooking with Manix video. Because I already technically cooked it, but it's alright, it's alright. I got a few that I'm going to. I don't know if I'm gonna make it out dead. Okay, guys, to watch. The meal. Macaroni and cheese. I just made them. Get ready. Alright, okay. There we go. Open this. Here's toast. The cheese. That's actually pretty good. Alright guys, I'm gonna pour this in. Pour cheese like that. Sorry, cheese. Leave it. Alright. Got our spoons and forks. You can probably see like right there. Okay, so yeah, guys. This is our little meal that I'm gonna start serving up. So look at how good this is, guys. Get some of that off the corners there. That looks good. Let me know. Gonna stir it. God dang, that is burning hot. I think I made myself a pretty good meal.
If you need help, let me know.
I don't. Thank you very much. And that is the Cooking with Manix video, as you could probably see like right there. It's really good. I'm gonna eat this, and I will see you guys all later. Peace.